here we are today starting with the true and false related to the topic human eye and the colorful world, and must subscribe the channel for the regular update. So the question is, state whether the given statements are true or false. So now we are starting question 1. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. Here note that it's refraction and it's false because it's not in Snell's law. And now question 2. Rays of light traveling from air into glass are refracted toward the normal, and it's true. Now question 3. The bending of light on passing from one medium to another is called refraction, and I think you all know it's true. Now it's time for question 4. Light does not always travel in a straight line, and it's false because always light travels in a straight line. Question 5. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and I think we have done this question already, and it's true. And now question 6. When light travels from air into water, its speed increases, and it's false. So now moving to our question 7. Newton used corpuscular theory of light to explain reflection and refraction of light, and if you know, it's true. Now question 8. A lens which is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge is called a convergent lens, and it's true. Now lenses are used to form images by reflection in optical instruments, and you all know it's false because lenses work on the law of refraction. A lens is called a thin lens if its overall thickness is large, and you all know it's false. Now it's time for question 11. Power of a lens is measured in diopter, denoted by capital D, and it's true. Now moving to our question 12. 1 diopter is equal to 1 by centimeter, and if you have done this, it's false. Now question 13. Lens formula is same as mirror formula, and if you have noticed, it's false. Now it's time for question 14, and we have 15 questions total, and the 14 is, the focal length of a convex lens is always positive, and it's true. Now the last question, question 15. The pupil appears black because no light is reflected from it, and you all have done this in last video, and it's true. So here we have done all the questions, and hope you have learned so many things. So subscribe the channel and share with your true friends. Thanks.